Hi everybody, I'm Christian with Hevo. We have developed a wireless charging network for electric vehicles. A good place to start is with, sorry about that, with the team. We're a team of four executives with about 30 years combined experience. Not too much, we're a little bit young, but we've basically taken this technology from ground zero about five years ago, where we had absolutely nothing, and have built one of the pioneering wireless charging technologies in the world. The main motivation of the company is to do whatever we can to catalyze electric vehicles and help get economies off fossil fuels. So here's the problem that we encountered about 5 years ago. While the electric vehicle market is growing, California is a great way, it's a great place to see that. I'm sure when you go outside, you'll see Teslas and Nissans, Nissan Leafs. But the problem is the plug-in stations. As you see in the photos, basically they're vulnerable to damage, they're vulnerable to environmental conditions. I know I personally would not like to have my vehicle plugged in with snow in the electrical outlet. That's gonna melt. And then there's also a lot of other things like fleets who use these vehicles forgetting to plug in. And with the advent of autonomous vehicle technology, no vehicle is autonomous if you have to plug it in. The only way to make it truly autonomous is with wireless charging. So that brings us to a solution that we've come up with. It's a wireless charging system. We have a proprietary inverter and transmitter coils on the power side, and that basically links up with the vehicle through a receiver and a rectifier. And there's basically a magnetic field between the ground and that vehicle, which induces an electric charge into the vehicle. And what's extremely important about this technology is that it's all tied together through a mobile backend, our mobile app and our cloud backend. I'm going to show that to you right now. So what's really great about this is that everything you need to do with the charging process is done from your phone or a computer, any connected device. So that's finding a station, getting to it, parking and powering up, and then managing all the data and all the information to see how long your car is charged for, what the battery level's at, or maybe how much more it needs to charge for. Everything's done from your phone, so there's no human interaction with hardware. This is not just an idea. This technology we've piloted over the past few years. We've had some big projects. The photo you see on the left is the most recent pilot we've done. It's been actually ongoing for about a year now. In the Netherlands, which has been the most successful to date, and they basically use that thing. They use it to charge their municipality of Rotterdam car share vehicle every day. Over the past 2 years or so, since we really brought the technology in-house, originally we were developing with the University of New York, but we've raised about close to $2.5 million in funding. A lot of that is non-dilutive from the state of New York and some other grant funding. And we're actually at the point now where we basically took this technology in 2 years from prototype to the point where we're commercializing in 2017 and are the first company to be going through UL certification. So that's really exciting. That's Hevo Power. If you have a chance, and I really hope you do, we have a demo actually downstairs, basically the entry doors to the building. There's a Nissan Leaf. It's wireless charging right now, and I strongly recommend you check it out.